I have these blue beads. I'm going to make a bracelet out of them. And I had already started making it, and I wasn't in the shot, so I had to move my camera. So this is what I've got made already. I need to make the ends because it needs 2 more beads to be able to put the clasp on. And I have some man-made clasps somewhere. So we're gonna finish this one. Sorry I lost that video. I might still be able to find a piece of it, but I was so out of the shot that I had to move my camera. And I did a lot of videos and I wasn't even in the camera. So we're gonna cut. What I did was a wrap around it, just one. I'll try this long one first. Because I had done a lot of them and was getting ready to do the clasp at the end. And then I uploaded them and saw that I was out of the camera frame. I'm new to videoing, so you'll have to excuse me for a little bit. I don't. That's not my thing. I don't usually video. And I'm using a GoPro, so I can't tell if I'm in screen or not. So I put this white paper down, thinking that if I'd stay right under the camera that I'd be in screen, and I wasn't. So what we're gonna do is bend it like that. You'll see. It looks like that. And this wire is a lot stiffer. It's supposed to be dead soft, but I've never used nickel silver before. And it's stiffer than my copper, which has to be half hard, because I've bought some dead soft a little bit, and yeah, it's softer. And I just made a mistake. This is how you make the eye. I'll tell you what we'll do with this. We'll make something else out of it, because this isn't what I wanted to do. We'll just play around with this for a minute. Let's do the white ones. See what we can do with this wire, since I've already cut it. And I wasn't planning on doing that with it. Oh, I don't like that one. We'll get a different one. This is either agate or something. I'm not sure which. It's been so many years ago that I bought it that I don't remember. Wonder if we'll have enough. it's gonna be close. Also, this is our pendant for this bracelet. Trying to get the end. Let's see, where is it? Right there. Have that for a little pendant to hang on the chain. Say 5.5. Alright. Get your eye shaped. And then we're going to pop it on. And I'll look around in a little bit and see. I just have to make it clasp. Now this wire is a lot stiffer than the copper that I've been using. Usually try the video on the weekends or if I'm off work. I don't just do jewelry, I do a lot of everything. Anything I like to try everything. So if you don't like jewelry, check back. I do other crafts and I paint and I draw. Do acrylic and watercolor, and I go to Dollar Tree and buy stuff and craft out of it. Try to make up something new that people might be interested in seeing. Alright, we've got to allow for that wrap. So and I need to hook a clasp on here. So I'm going to leave that hanging there for a minute. Yeah, my battery died. I had to get a new one. Found a chain. Show you what that looked like on a chain. Let's get back to making this. I found the clasp and my battery was done, so I don't know if I showed this. So you just take it, put it on your wire, get it up there. use a jump ring. I think I got up too early this morning. We had to go out to get chicken food. So then we're going to go around it. We're going to come right here. I'm going to try to set up a buy me a coffee. I've got to get some pictures on my Instagram. I just started one of those. I've never even had an Instagram before. And I've got to get some pictures loaded up of some jewelry I made a while back. And some of the newer stuff I've been doing. And various crafts and stuff. We're not going to put a twist in this, we're just going to have it curl around the bead. And then we have one more to make. On the other end of this one, we'll put the rest of the clasp. And if I use birdsong on some of my videos, it's because I had so much background noise or I lost the audio. Something was wrong with the audio that I couldn't use it. But I'll try to talk on the videos as much as I can. Feel for your catch. Try to get it mashed down where it won't catch on anything. It'll be close up to the bead, so as long as the bead keeps stuff from catching on it. I feel it. The bead will sometimes, you just have to make sure you don't have a big catch there. You don't want to mess your clothes up if you're making this for yourself or mess somebody else's clothes up. Wrap it around those pliers. Make your loop. And then we're going to feed this on. Well, we're going to try to feed that on. Find the hole. Have to scooch it up a little bit so go past the other loop. There. Now we're on. Hold it. Around. Around. And then we're going around the bead. Go around where you wrapped it on the other side and pull it as tight as you can. Then we're going to cut it. Be careful to just cut the one you want to cut, not because I have cut into more than I wanted to cut before. Feel it? Feels good. Here's the bracelet. Oops. I have to get a better chain, but there's the pendant. It's a little bit lighter, but it's the same stone. Just feel over it and make sure you don't have any sharp spots, and if you do, work on clearing them up. I feel something here. So work on polishing them and getting them where you don't feel rust spots anymore, because you don't want anybody to mess up their clothes, or you don't want them to get scratched, or you don't want to get scratched yourself or tear up your clothes. Well, there she is. I like the blue. Alright, y'all have a good day. Good rest of your week. And I'll see you on the next one. Take care of yourself. Bye.